This is our dog, Michelle. We're having her meet Gabriella here for the first time. We just met this minute. Look at how relaxed Gabriella is in our house with Michelle. Come on, Gabriella. Good girl. Good girl. Gabriella is very good with other dogs. You don't have to introduce her to new dogs. She just fits in. Very dog friendly, no aggression at all. She doesn't know how to go down the stairs. Okay, we're going to teach her. What's up, Gabriella? You can't go down? That's okay. That's okay. Good girl. Gabriella? Oh, you can go up the stairs? That's good. Good girl. Gabriella? Okay, come, Gabriella.